How about a pizza inspired by the colors of the Italian flag? It could have a tomato sauce base, topped with fresh mozzarella cheese and sliced tomatoes for the red section. Then, a sprinkle of basil leaves for the green section, and finally, some creamy ricotta cheese for the white section. The result would be a delicious and visually stunning pizza that pays homage to the iconic Italian flag. Buon appetito! Italy is known for many things, but perhaps one of its most famous exports is pizza, because it is widely believed to have originated there and has become an important part of Italian culture and cuisine. The exact origins of pizza are somewhat unclear, but it is thought to have originated in Naples, Italy in the late 18th century. The inventor of pizza, as we know it today, is not definitively known. However, it is widely believed that the Margherita pizza was created by Neapolitan pizzaiolo Raffaele Esposito in 1889 to honor the Queen of Italy, Margherita of Savoy. The pizza was made with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil to represent the colors of the Italian flag. Pizza is special to Italy because it is deeply ingrained in Italian culture and cuisine. It is not just a food, but a way of life in Italy. The traditional pizza in Italy is made with simple and fresh ingredients, such as tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil, which are reflective of the country's agricultural traditions. Pizza is also considered a social food, often shared with family and friends, and eaten as a celebration of life and the joys of good food. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to explore around the world cultures, travel ideas and their delicious cuisines.